The Diveroid is an innovative device that turns your smartphone into an all-in-one dive gear. It is a waterproof case that attaches to your smartphone and provides a number of features that make it ideal for diving, including: the Diveroid provides a waterproof housing for your smartphone, so you can use it to take photos and videos underwater without having to worry about damaging it. The Diveroid includes a dive computer that tracks your depth, dive time, and decompression stops. This information can be displayed on your smartphone screen, so you can always be aware of your dive conditions. The Diveroid allows you to communicate with other divers underwater using sonar technology. This is a great way to stay in touch with your dive buddy or group. The Diveroid includes a compass and GPS receiver, so you can always find your way back to the surface. The Diveroid includes an emergency beacon that can be activated if you get into trouble. This will send out a signal that can be detected by other divers and rescue personnel. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Diveroid all-in-one dive gear. Pros: waterproof housing, dive computer, underwater communication, navigation, emergency beacon. Cons: can be expensive. Some users have reported that the sonar communication can be unreliable. The battery life can be short when using all of the features. Overall, the Diveroid is a great choice for divers who want a versatile and easy-to-use dive computer that can also be used as a waterproof housing for their smartphone. It is also a great choice for divers who want to be able to communicate with other divers underwater and who want to have access to navigation and emergency beacon features. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.